In this video, we're going to see how do we do apportionment using Webster's method. For this scenario, we're looking at 8 different regions in a county, and we're looking to divide 26 mail trucks between these 8 regions proportionately. So just like with our other two methods, we're going to start by finding the sum of the populations in each region to get a total population of 12,690 people. And then for our standard divisor, we take our total population divided by the 26 mail trucks. So for every 488 people, there should be 1 mail truck. To find our standard quotas, we take the population of each region divided by the standard divisor that we lock in by hitting F4 on our keyboard so that each one of these populations will get divided by the same number. I'm going to drag that down to get all of my standard quotas. And then to find our minimum quota, we use the round down function in Excel. So we're rounding down each standard quota to the nearest integer by doing round down standard quota, comma, 0. Now if we sum our minimum quotas, so equals sum our minimum quotas, if that by chance sums to 26, we're done. And it doesn't. So what we're going to have to do is play another guess and check game with different modified divisors until we find one that apportions out all 26 mail trucks using the Webster method rounding rules. So I'm going to start by just picking a modified divisor. I'm going to guess 485. Yeah, total guess. Might have gone too far, might not be far enough, but we'll just try it. So to get our modified quotas, we take the population and we divide it by the modified divisor, and you hit F4 after you click on your modified divisor to lock in the denominator. I'm going to round that down, or I'm going to drag that down. And then Webster's method says that we use standard rounding rules. So instead of using the round down function, we do equals round, click on your modified quota, comma, 0. So this time we're using standard rounding rules where if the decimal is 0.5 or bigger, it rounds up. And if the decimal is less than 0.5, it rounds down. So I'm going to drag that round function down, and then let's sum the Webster method rounded numbers. Oh, and I got incredibly lucky. It worked when I took my guess of 485. When I used the standard rounding rules with a modified divisor of 485, it came out and apportioned out all 26 mail trucks. What would have happened if maybe I started off with a guess of 487? That one worked as well. So apparently this one is not super sensitive, and it looks like it has quite a few modified divisors that work. So on an assignment, as long as you use a modified divisor that works, you of course will get full credit for the problem, especially if you show your work along the way.